Would you like to learn more about Elementor Pro? If that's the case, I have good news for you. The small news is that I'm going to make a new tutorial in December about Elementor Pro, finally. But the great news is that my friend Rino from Living with Pixels created an in-depth course about Elementor Pro. I know Rino now for around 3-4 years. An amazing guy, humble guy. He's funny. And I have the privilege of spending some time with him sometimes. We go out for dinner. We go to WordCamp together. I see him as the best Elementor user I know. And now he has a course. So I want to vouch for him. I want to tell you on my channel that he has an amazing course. And right now there's 40% Black Friday discount. Let me show you. If you go to 30corp.com/Rino, this is not an affiliate link, but I can show Rino how many people go through this course through my link, and then he can buy me the next dinner. Just kidding. So you can also go to YouTube or go to this video, and then he shows you in a few minutes what the course is all about. Really important. It's not for the Elementor free users. It's for the Elementor Pro users. If you use Elementor Pro and you want to take it to the next level, then this is for you. If you only use the free version and you're not planning to buy the Pro version, then this course is not for you. So I will show you how to buy this course. Click over here, or if you want to learn more, you can click over here. Already more than 1,000 students enroll in this course. It's $178, so this is a good time to buy it. Enroll in this course. I have not seen the course yet, but knowing Rino, I know this is amazing. And by the way, I do not get compared except for the lunch I hope he offers me. I pay with credit card, and then I click over here on Buy Now. It's hosted on Teachable. And now I can start watching the videos. It will show me how much I've completed already. This is amazing. So I can get started. That's how easy it is. Do it to support Rino. Do it to treat yourself and learn more about Elementor Pro. And do it for your clients or for your own websites. That was it. Have a great day and see you next time. Bye-bye.